Dear automotive enthusiasts! Suddenly, an unwelcome crack in the windshield appears, with the most probable cause being the impact of a small stone that struck the glass, creating a minor mark. Unfortunately, the vehicle owner did not promptly seek to repair the small mark, leading to its progression into a significant crack. However, it is important to emphasize that cracks do not always develop due to the impact of foreign particles on the glass. In many cases, the origin of a crack is related to the vehicle being exposed to the sun for extended periods, causing the interior of the vehicle to excessively heat up. Instead of allowing for natural interior cooling, the driver often resorts to using the air conditioning at maximum settings, directing a stream of cold air onto the windshield. This thermal shock can result in the emergence of cracks. It is crucial to underscore that proper maintenance of the windshield, including the immediate repair of minor marks, is essential to prevent the progression of these marks into larger cracks. Additionally, appropriate practices for cooling the vehicle's interior, such as ventilating the windows, are recommended to avoid the occurrence of cracks due to thermal shocks. Stay vigilant regarding the condition of your windshield and environmental conditions, adopting preventive measures to ensure the integrity of the glass and safety during driving.